In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Audi A5 key fob. This process is super easy. You can do it yourself at home. It'll just take you a few minutes. All you'll need is a flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you'd like to get one of these online, go ahead and check out that first link down in the description, which will take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. All we want to do first is flip the key fob over, look down here where the key ring attaches, and if you look inside you can see we have a space right in here. So go ahead and insert your flathead screwdriver in and just pry this back piece of plastic off. Now in here we're just going to need a tool that's going to fit inside this hole to pry the battery out. This is a little bit larger, so if you have a smaller flathead screwdriver, you could also use something like a paper clip. I'm just going to go over here and grab this precision screwdriver, which makes it super easy. If you can fit down in there, you just get under the battery and gently pry it out. Here you have your battery. When you're putting in your new battery, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing up, and just slide it into place and click it down so that it sits flat. And lastly, just click the back on there. And if you want to make sure that you did everything correctly, just make sure that that light is turning on when you hit a button. So that's all it takes. That was it. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another key fob, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.